Eto mga kabilyard, panoorin natin yung pinakamalupitang tira ni Efren Bata Reyes dito at kung paano niya na-run out itong cable nito. Napakaraming action dito mga kabilyard, kaya panoorin ninyo hanggang dulo.
Get it too hard. Get it too. I'm not sure. He's playing safe.
Yeah.
Or he played the bank and brushed the 4 on the. Pretty close.
Did he make it?
Pretty close.
He made it. Oh.
Very nice.
There you go. Make believe you played it. Tie the match. Give him an angle to get closer to the 9, and he got that.
You get more than enough.
There it is.
Right.
Paano nangyari yun, yung ganong tira? So siya lang nakagawa talaga nung kaya tinawag siyang The Magician.